There are two clips that we need to undo first. Now we need to use a flathead screwdriver to actually loosen the clamp on the hose so that we can easily disconnect the housing. Let's go ahead and get that done now. And then lift up on the housing to pull out the old engine air filter. Let's get this one replaced with a brand new engine air filter. Just slide it in. Make sure it's pressed all the way down so that it seals properly. Connect the housing and the hose. Connect the two clips. Make sure the wiring harness is actually connected back. And now, tighten up the clamp and you're all done.